Hey guys, so for today's 12 days of tutorials, we are using the ColourPop That's Taupe palette. So today I created this matte gray taupe cool tone smoky eye, and it was actually pretty easy to do. I know that not everyone likes to wear shimmer eyeshadows on their lids, so this look is for you guys. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to start with the shade Rock Steady on a Sigma E55, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. Now I'm going to take the shade Python on a Sigma E25, and I'm going to use that to blend around the edges of Rock Steady. Alright, that's what it looks like all blended out. Now let's do this eye. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Boa on the same brush, and I'm going to use this shade to blend a little bit higher in the crease, and this will just smooth everything out. Now I'm going to touch up that Rock Steady shade because it kind of got blended away on my lid, which is totally fine because it's easy to add more on top. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but for some reason the shade does not want to stick on this eye, but on this eye, it's sticking fine on my lid. But like, do you see how much lighter this lid looks? I really don't know why. I wonder what would happen if I just added like a little more eye primer right here and then put the shadow on top just to make it stick. I normally wouldn't recommend putting a cream on top of a powder like this, but let's try it. Okay, taking more Rock Steady. That is weird. I don't know what is happening. And like, I prime my eyes the exact same way with my Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer with my translucent powder on top. It just doesn't want to stick to this eye. Okay, what if I try a setting spray? We're trying all the tricks right now. I normally don't like to use setting sprays with matte eyeshadows either. I'm kind of sad this is happening because I really wanted to do like a good all matte eyeshadow look today. And for some reason, it just doesn't want to cooperate with me. But it doesn't look bad, but just like comparing both eyes, I can tell they look kind of different. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean off my E55 on my Sigma switch. And I'm actually going to try to lighten this lid to match this one. Does that make sense? So I'm going to pick up a little bit of Boa, and I'm going to add Boa in the center of this lid. I know you guys like when I show you kind of struggles and mistakes that I make too, because you know, everyone makes mistakes with their makeup. It's not always going to be perfect. And I'm going to add a little bit of Boa here. And sometimes you just got to go with the flow and make it work. Okay, I actually feel like that kind of worked, adding Boa to this lid to kind of make it look like this lid. It's not perfect, but I think it's doable. I'm gonna go do my face makeup off camera and then we'll finish up the eyes together. All right, my face makeup is done. Let's finish up the lower lash line. I'm gonna take more Rock Steady on a Sigma E30 pencil brush, and that's gonna go along my entire lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a little more Boa and just blend that right below Rock Steady. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Slated, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner, just to add a little bit of shine to this look, but nothing too crazy. Now I'm going to run a nude liner in my waterline. This one's from Tarte. I'm gonna go pop on some mascara and lashes, and then I'll show you the full face. All right, I popped on my mascara and lashes, and for my lashes, I'm wearing the Bright Lashes in the style Nova. I'm loving how these lashes look with the matte smoky eye. These lashes are nice and short, so they're not gonna like touch your eyebrow or anything, but they do have a nice density to them, so they do give a lot of fullness to your lashes. All right, and here's what the full face looks like. For my blush, I'm wearing the Tarte Breezy Cream Blush in Peach Sunset. I've been loving this formula so much, and I top that off with this Will Powder Blush Quad from the Balm, and this shade Dedication, I think I've talked about this before. It looks kind of like a dupe for that Dior blush that everyone loves, and I kind of place this like almost under my eyes on my nose, kind of like that cold girl look that's going viral right now, but I really like this blush kind of as a topper because it has a really nice sheen to it. For my bronzer, I use the Saie Sun Melt Bronzer in Light Bronze. I've been using the Rare Beauty one a lot, so I wanted to switch it up today. And for today's lip combo, I'm wearing the Makeup Forever lip liner in 600 Anywhere Caffeine, and then I'm wearing this About Face liquid lipstick in the shade Sad Song. I was actually going through my lip drawer the other day, and I pulled this out, and I've never used it before. Like, it was still in the packaging, and I was like, this shade looks beautiful, so I like this color a lot. But I love how my makeup turned out today. I know I was having problems with that Rock Steady shade all over my lid, but I kind of feel like after I finished everything up, you can't really tell that I was struggling with it, and I feel like the eyeshadow turned out pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.